Here we've got VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to hide or show caller ID on the following device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon, and select settings. Here you will notice call an account right here. Go to your SIM and select call settings. Here pick additional settings. Wait a couple of seconds. Just reach caller ID, and now you can hide number smoothly by tapping on hide number. As you can see, I have some issues here, but with my SIM card. However, all you need to do is tap on this hide number, and once you can see it here, your number will be invisible for all other receivers. So on all outgoing calls, you will not be recognized. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.